Today's repair is on this Tesla. I work on a lot of Teslas and I get a lot of referrals from Tesla forums and stuff. And it's a lot of the times it's the first time I work on it, but overall it's a great car to work on. They really make it user friendly. In this case, I have to do this damage here. You can probably see it well in this lighting. And when damage is here, you think in PDR you go from the glass, you go down, you fix it. That's not, at least that's not what I do. Because how are you going to get this angle when you're working on it? How are you going to get this angle? And this one, and this one. I mean, the main thing is, what we do is we sculpt reflection. So I'm going to take the door off, put it on a stand so I can get to it from multiple angles. Let's see how it goes. There, you see that hook right there? You have to kind of lift it up and slide it over a little bit. And there's the car. All the wires are below. And this is my lighting. I mean, if you can't take dents out with that kind of lighting, there's a problem. In my PDR course, dentexperttraining.com, that's what I teach. You use the reflections around you, which are super accurate, in order to fix the dent, so when it's done, it blends in beautifully. And you're not spinning around chasing a cross-check. All done with this Model Y. I think it's been no damage on the back side. Just a little bit right there. All ready for Patrick to come over and maybe do some airbrushing to get rid of that, but that damage is done. And the glass works great.